We're here at a top secret location just off the A14 in Burton Latimer, and we're here to meet the team. So I want to find out the tactics, the strengths of all of these team members. Gents, here we go. So name, position and strength.
Paul Neymar, central defender, strengths, no weaknesses. Age 43, weight just over 9 stone, size 12 feet.
Confident.
And 31-inch waist.
Steam Ledger, I'm attacker and strength shooting.
Good, I like it.
My name's Adam Ensby, I'm a midfielder and my strengths are passing.
Oh, and getting hit.
Gio Albanese, strengths, scoring and position defender.
Okay, name, position, strength.
Deadly Deadman.
Oh.
I'm going to play at the back. I'm going to do defender. I'm going to be in the midfield. I'm actually going to be up front. I'm actually the chairman and a fluffer.
Oh, impressive, I like it. The team looks impressive, they're working together, the tactics are smooth. Maybe they're not quite as good as passing the ball to each other as the England team recently were in the World Cup, but they are there. Look at that boot. He runs, he's a quick one, is Gio Albanese. Quick, fast, agile they call him. The Deadly Deadman. Oh, he's fast. So the team are currently in training. We've got an event here, it's called the beep test. So are you ready, gents? Go. Beep. 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 Beep.
Training's going well. They've been doing pretty well after the last few months. I've seen them progress, and they're getting better.
So what?